I want to grow in my career. I want to become a super achiever in my area of work. Hemant, please tell me, how can a coach help me? A prospective client recently asked me this. I responded saying that a coach can help you in many ways. Most importantly, a good coach walks with you every step of the way in your journey towards your development, towards your career growth. He brings his experience, tools, and most importantly, coach brings his commitment towards your success, commitment towards making you successful, commitment towards helping you achieve your goals. A coach may have expertise in many areas, and coach also brings that expertise with you on the table during a coaching journey. For example, when I work with my clients, I bring my 23 years of experience, global experience, to use with my clients. I share my experience openly. I share my expertise very openly with them. I share expertise in the area of fields where I have worked. I share my expertise in the area of IT, working globally, how to manage virtual teams, how to develop yourself as a leader, managerial excellence, powerful communication, stakeholder management, and many such areas where I have worked for many years. A coach plays many roles, as I said earlier. Here are some of those roles. First of all, coach plays the role of a committed listener. A coach believes in you completely, believes in your potential, and believes in your goal. A coach also acts as a catalyst. Coach helps you develop clarity and remove obstacles in your way. Obstacles could be limiting beliefs, limiting assumptions, or self-doubt, things like that. Coach also acts as a challenger. A coach lovingly challenges you to move out of your comfort zone and into your stretch zone so that you can expand your capabilities and develop your skills further. A coach also helps you develop your mindset in a very positive way towards the success that you want to achieve. A coach also works as a mirror. Coach reflects to you what you are saying, how you are behaving, how you're taking actions, where are you getting stopped, where you're not taking actions, what are the emotions that you're experiencing, so that you become aware of how you're operating. Sometimes you find your own blind spots working with a coach. Coach is able to see you more clearly than you can see yourself. A coach also acts as a trusted advisor with you. A coach creates a safe space for you where you can be yourself, where you can share everything with your coach. Coach maintains complete confidentiality of all the conversations, all the communication. That is very important in a coaching engagement. And a good coach always maintains that. A good coach also acts as a sounding board for you. Sometimes people just want to share what they are thinking, what they are feeling, what they are going through, what their successes are, what their failures are. A coach at that point in time acts as a sounding board, listening to you in a non-judgmental way, in an unbiased way, and just helps you clear all the clutter, all the things that you want to share and feel lighter. This is an experience that has been shared with me by my clients, that when they share their worries, anxieties, also their successes, excitements, challenges, they feel a lot more lighter. They feel a lot more clearer when they speak about that. So coach provides that safe space for you to express yourself completely and openly. Coach also shares his life experiences with you as openly as you share it. Coach also acts as an accountability partner for you because you work with a coach towards a particular goal that you want to achieve. Coach always has that goal in mind for you. And coach helps you design an action plan, design a strategy, design a roadmap. And coach helps you to create and design actions. Coach holds you accountable for the actions you said you will take, because actions produce results. And last but not the least, coach acts as your cheerleader. Coach is happy when you achieve something. Coach encourages you. Coach recognizes and acknowledges your effort, your accomplishments, your actions, your sincerity, dedication. Coach cheers you on always. Have you experienced coaching yet? If not, I would highly recommend go and get a coach who can help you achieve a lot more in your career and life.